So I need to make freedom that little bird, Yeah. So it's time to make a freedom. This I don't want he or her. It's good idea to keep it, But I remember one Cherokee in the north. I tried to catch all the family, bird something like that. Oh yeah, bird something like that. Same. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. This is incredible. It's the same birds I tried to catch in one little house. Let me tell you this history about that. The history is in North Carolina, in Prospect Hills, little town, and one similar house like this with same color brick, you know. Uh, I found a old little house, but I in the middle one garden, and I make a remodelation, and I painting that little house uh, for bird. Somebody live there in the house, so I make a little remodelation and put and painting that little house like same this house. But in that time, uh, I don't figure it. A bird, it's a trees around the little wood house.